Hello all, this is Bishwadeep and welcome to day 18 of my 100-day AI journey. Myself and I think every one of you have gone through any of the LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, then Meta, Grok, and there are so many LLMs are provided out there in the current market, right? But as an Indian, I always feel that there are some gaps while trying to find out some of the topics in of the different languages that what I'm currently using or what I'm speaking. As in India, there are currently about 25 to 30 uh, languages which are being officially recorded, but at present with the using of different dialects there are nearly about 750 to 800 languages are there, right? So to captivate all of those things in those LLMs where only in ChatGPT, Gemini, or Grok, or any other LLMs you speak about, they are being trained on the only specific English languages. Okay, so, but today we have our own sovereign AI system from India, uh, which is being launched sometimes back only. So it's currently still on that starting phase where ChatGPT was in 2022 or in 2023. So I'll dive into this Sarvam AI and I'll show you all the features and how you can use it, and you can understand what is the use case of this Sarvam AI, and whether it can compete in the bigger platform with the other LLMs like the DeepSeek, Meta, Grok, anyone. So this has the capability, but it is totally focused on the Indian audience. As there are different kinds of dialects and different kind of languages, it can easily understand how each of the things are working on from our own perspective. So let me dive into this Sarvam AI. So this is the interface that you are going to land into, and these are the companies that currently have already installed this Sarvam: LIC, Infosys, Crate, Decentro, Axis Bank, Mahindra Finance, Aadhar, Urban Company. So maybe they are using these Sarvam agents at later point of time. I'll show you how you can use those agents, and so yeah, so that is the interface you will be coming into this, and these are the some of the features: conversational agents, text to speech, speech to text, vision, and dubbing. I'll show you these things each one after another after going into their dashboard. But for their demo purpose, just I'll show you some of the things. Conversational agents, like you will be talking to some of the person, and maybe you will be thinking that you are speaking to a real person, but you are not. You will be you will be having a conversation with some of the agents over there, right? And mainly this Sarvam AI kindly and is enabled on 11 languages. Okay, that I will show you what are those 11 languages that are currently this Sarvam AI is currently being deployed. Fine. So it is showing you that where you can build to run anywhere your business runs. It's on Sarvam Cloud, private cloud, or in premises, and also what kind of the blogs are being mentioned, and you can sign up with the Sarvam. So let me show you first how does it uh, what is the use case of it. So let me start with this payment follow-ups. Okay, start speaking connected. It will ask for your permission whether to uh, allow while visiting the site. So allow this. Just
All right,
listen.
Mananji. My name is Hitesh, and I'm calling from Sarvam Finance Services. Your two-wheeler loan EMI of 5,000 rupees is 131 days overdue. I've already sent a secure payment link to your WhatsApp or SMS this morning. Could you please open the link and make the payment now?
Sorry, I messed up your name, but I won't be able to give the payment right away. Maybe I need 2 more days to give the payment back.
Oh, okay, I see. Your last payment of 3,145 rupees was made on 25th November 2025, and we really appreciate your timely payments. But now you're saying you won't be able to pay on time. Could you please tell me why you can't pay and why you're delaying the
Because,
payment so much?
yeah, sorry for interrupting, because I don't have that amount right now to pay all of your dues in this period.
Okay, I understand. But your loan is already 131 days overdue, and any further delay could lead to serious charges. Would it be possible for you to pay a bit earlier?
नहीं, अभी तो नहीं हो पाएगा, कैन यू? अभी अभी बिल्कुल नहीं हो पाएगा, मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है.
ठीक है, मैं समझ सकता हूँ। लेकिन मनन जी, आपके सिर्फ 3 EMI बची हैं 12 में से। अगर आप अभी और देरी करेंगे तो रोजाना पेनल्टी लगेगी, जिससे आपकी टोटल अमाउंट बढ़ जाएगी। क्या आप कम से कम EMI अमाउंट आज पे कर सकते हैं?
না, আমি এখন কিছুই পারবো না. আমাকে কিছুদিন টাইম দিতেই লাগবে, না হলে আমার দ্বারা হবে না.
আপনি সার্ভাম ফাইন্যান্স সার্ভিসেসের সাথে ব্যাংকিং করার জন্য আপনাকে ধন্যবাদ।
See, just look at this conversational agents, how trained they are. Okay, firstly, I have spoken up in English language. Then, in between, without telling anything, I have translated into Hindi. Then, I have again changed into my Bengali mother tongue. So it has understood all of my languages, and it has given me the exact same uh, follow-ups or the replies in those languages only. So that is how trained this server is. So text to speech, again I'll show you. Then speech to text, if you start speaking into languages, it can already generate some of the digital format also. Then vision is there, you can use the handwritten for letter, or you can give any types of manuscript or anything, and it will start reading whatever is being written over there, and you can also generate those output as a digital platform, digital script. So I'll show you that how much this servam is more capable in terms of reading this OCR documents or whatever I'll be providing later on. Okay, then come into dubbing. This is for the video creation, that how say sports commentary, education content, and man ki baat. Fine. For the sports commentary, if you click on this, see. ये भी कड़क शॉट है, तेजी से बढ़ रहा है भारत विजय की ओर. Okay, I think this already you have heard it in 2011, 2nd April. I think everyone remembers this date, uh, when India won the World Cup in 2011. Fine. So I think this was the original voice, right? Now let me check this in Bengali, that how does it coming up. এটাও একটা কড়া শর্ট দ্রুত এগোচ্ছে ভারত জয়ের দিকে. See, આ પણ કડક શોટ છે, ભારત ઝડપથી વિજય તરફ આગળ વધી રહ્યું છે. Every time you are clicking on any of the languages, it's ഇതും ഒരു കിടിലൻ ഷോട്ടാണ്, ഇന്ത്യ വിജയത്തിലേക്ക് അതിവേഗം മുന്നേറുകയാണ്. That is the trained servam which you can use if you are an Indian, and you won't be able to get this kind of trained agents or anything like in any of the LLMs, because it's already being the main sovereign compute of India, right? So that is how it's been doing its performance, and it's on, I think within next 2 to 3 years it will reach to that point where ChatGPT or Gemini or Meta is. So I think everyone should use it and make it more trained. The where currently the other LLMs is. So let me dive into this experience servam. Okay. So firstly, sign in. Okay. So initially you will be given the 100 free credits that you can use while going for the testing purpose of this server. And initially you can level up with the payment system, that 10,000 for pro version and maybe for 50,000 for the business purpose. So quick one, how did you find out? Say AI recommend. I am a product manager. Get started. Okay, AI agents, and then get started. You just select any of those things. Can you check this one? You will be given the limit of 100 credits. Fine. Here's what you can do: 3 plus hours of audio transcription, 45 minutes of voice generation, 50k characters of translation, unlimited AI chat. So here you can have the option of AI chat also, which is the uh, Indus chat. Okay, so that is let me just show you the pricing models. This is a starter model, then the pro version 10,000 rupees, and the 50,000 rupees for the business purpose. Then the billing, kindly, I have not used any of the credits, so still the 100 credit is left. Once I use some of the features, I will show you that how many credits have been deducted and what is the remaining balance over there. And for each of the limits, like for each of the APIs or each of the things that you are working on, that how many requests are being gone per minute, to check and what is the limit for each of the APIs that you are being using, or while you may use the agents or the other things. Fine. Usage is the same thing. Then the API keys, I'll show you later point of time that with the use of the API keys what you can do. Okay, now let's come to the home page. Fine. So this is the home page, and here uh, you can check the voices over here. See.
नमस्ते, सर्वम एआई में आपका स्वागत है। सो बेसिकली हम इंडिया की हर लैंग्वेज को वॉइस देते हैं। एक बार की बात है, बादशाह अकबर के दरबार में एक व्यापारी।
See, there is a slight change in the tone while someone is going for the help desk and someone is narrating some of the stories, and also there is a deep voice for the
ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್
education.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಐ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ, ಪರ್ಸನಲೈಸ್ಡ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಈಗ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Fine, got it. So there are different voice changes is also there as per your requirement. What do you require? Fine. Let me go to text to speech. So there are different models are present over there. See, here you can write or you can just copy and paste whatever you want in this 11 languages: Hindi, English, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Tamil, and Telugu. So these are the 11 languages currently Sarvam has been trained on, and this will provide you the exact output what you require. Fine. So you can just give any of the chats over here. See if it's Hindi. Let me give it in Bengali. Okay. And there are different models currently: Bulbul V3 and Bulbul B2. So these are the two models that currently Sarvam is working on. And I think all of you know that for the Claudes there are different models: Haiku, Sonnet, Opus. So there are different kind of models. Similarly for the Sarvam they are using for this model the Bulbul V2 and the V3 models. Fine. Let's hear some of the audios for the different person. So let's hear it from Suhani.
নমস্কার, সার্ভাম এআই তে আপনাকে স্বাগতম। আমরা ভারতীয় ভাষাগুলির জন্য অ্যাডভান্সড ভয়েস। নমস্কার, সার্ভাম এআই তে আপনাকে স্বাগতম। আমরা ভারতীয় ভাষাগুলির
Perfect.
জন্য
It's so
অ্যাডভান্সড
natural.
ভয়েস টেকনোলজি তৈরি করি। আমাদের টেক্সট।
Let's hear Hindi. Okay. Let's go for Amit.
नमस्ते, सर्वम एआई में आपका स्वागत है। हम भारतीय भाषाओं के लिए अत्याधुनिक वॉइस टेक्नोलॉजी बनाते हैं।
Wow.
हमारे टेक्स्ट टू स्पीच मॉडल्स पैक। नमस्ते, सर्वम एआई में आपका स्वागत है। हम भारतीय भाषाओं के लिए अत्याधुनिक वॉइस टेक्नोलॉजी बनाते हैं। हमारे टेक्स्ट टू स्पीच मॉडल्स प्राकृतिक और इंसान जैसी आवाजें प्रोड्यूस करते हैं जो बेहद रियलिस्टिक लगती हैं।
It's so natural that you can use it everywhere, right? Then the audio quality also you can check. So use it in standard or the highest. It will provide you the best output only. You can give the dictionaries also. You can provide the API or the JSON file, and you can use it as a dictionary purpose. Maybe there are different dictionaries where the older people are using, maybe to translate their messages from English to their regional languages, just to send the WhatsApp messages, right? So at that moment they may use the different kinds of languages or the dictionaries, and similar thing you can provide it over here as the dictionary. So these are the conversational, then the audiobooks, entertainment, sales, sale at for here
नमस्ते,
for sales.
सर्वम एआई में आपका स्वागत है। हम भारतीय भाषाओं के लिए अत्याधुनिक वॉइस टेक्नोलॉजी।
See, there is a tone difference between each one of these people. Let's say it for
नमस्ते,
news.
सर्वम एआई में आपका स्वागत है।
Yeah,
हम
it's yeah. So it's looking like for each of the purposes, the our voices change. See, kindly I'm explaining, right? What I've done with the Sarvam AI, and what you also can do with this Sarvam AI. So I'm just explaining the small features and the whole tutorial of this Sarvam, and what is the use case of this one, right? As I'm explaining, my voice is different, and while I am also listening for the first time, at that moment my tone is different. While you are on high pitch, you will be sounding more grumpy. While you are in a happy mood, you'll be looking nice, and your voice will be so polite. So that's how it's difference between the different kind of working currently you are doing, like the conversational audiobooks, entertainment, sales, news, and whatever not. Fine. So there are some features for these audios also. You can choose this as favorite one. Okay, then you can,
नमस्ते, सर्वम एआई में आपका स्वागत है।
yeah, you
हम
can
भारतीय भाषा।
regenerate.
नमस्ते, सर्वम एआई में आपका स्वागत।
Yeah, so you can regenerate the audios if you don't like that one. Okay, you can download this audio with the simple text so that you can use it somewhere else. And also for this share button, when you click on this share button, see, uh, it's like the one type of podcast also, or you can use it in some of the blogs by generating the videos from here. Say I want to click this one and generate a video.
नमस्ते,
See,
सर्वम एआई में आपका स्वागत है। हम भारतीय भाषाओं के लिए अत्याधुनिक वॉइस टेक्नोलॉजी बनाते हैं। हमारे टेक्स्ट टू स्पीच मॉडल्स प्राकृतिक।
fine. I think you got my point, that you can use this as a video also, with a simple voice, right, and the text. Fine. Now coming to the vision. Okay, I'll come to the vision at a later point of time. Speech to text. Same only. Start speaking. Kindly, I am just testing Sarvam AI, that how does it work, and what are the features available, and what are the languages are being trained on. So what is the use case of this Sarvam AI? So can you just tell me? And also आप मेरे को बता सकते हैं इस हिंदी में अगर मैं हम बात करें तो what can be the difference? Kindly, I'm just testing. So what is the use case of this? See, it's like your while changing any channels, or while speaking through mobile, is the same thing, only you just voice record it and it will give you the text, and it can understand up to 11 different languages. That's only the main thing is there, right? And also you can upload the audio also, code mixed, than the it's I won't be able to understand this Gujarati. then Marathi cricket commentary वाढवीम. So that's how you can use this speech to text feature. Then translate. Okay, translate. Here the normal text is there. Say currently you want to write a mail for someone, or you want to just type a message who doesn't understand English. So you just type the message in English and you won't be able to understand the message in Hindi or in any other language. Say I don't understand Gujarati or Kannada. Fine. So what I will do, I'll just understand. I understand this English language, so I'll just change it to Kannada. So whole chat will be changed into Kannada. Fine. Now I want this message to be in more modern format, not in so much of formal. I want to send it to a long term friend who is not being in connection with me, so I'm just sending a modern colloquial message, right, not a formal one. So fine. Now I want to use the native or international one, what kind of target language script it is. So if I go for international one, it will have some sort of changes, and if I go for native one, it will be having some of changes. Okay. Then for male or female, like whenever we speak in Hindi, if the boy speaks, hey, तू कहाँ जा रहा है रे, and if the female speak, uh, um, तुम कहाँ जा रही हो, so that the verb is used, right? So that is why it will give you the exact thing, what do you want and how do you want to portray to the other clients or customers, or it can be a use case for yourself also. Fine. And you can give the like dislike button, or you can copy and paste it somewhere else, or you can get the code also. Now come to the most interesting part. It's the vision part. Extract tables, image, caption, or red text. So let me show you that how does it work. Extract table. See, this is the arrival whenever the flight arrives in any airport. So it just gives the status update for the flight numbers, ETA, and the flight number origin from where it has been started, and what is the status of it. See, and it has given me in the clear table format, and you can download this. Then the image caption. So you can put any of the images and it will give you the exact uh, output of it. You can uh, you can upload any image and it will give you the this thing, uh, caption of it. Say the Instagram caption or the Facebook caption, so that caption will be given to you. Read text. If you are unable to read, take the help of this server and get it read. And also you can change it to different languages also, right? You have understood this language, you just take this, you just copy paste and put it over here. Translate. Oh, no, not this one. Where is this one? Vision, right? Copy, translate. This is in Kannada, right? I want in English. Not in Kannada. I think it's in Gujarati. See, okay, got my point. So that's how you can use the vision part. So I will just uh, document digitization is also there. You can use the research paper. It will decrypt all the charts knowledge and also the tables knowledge into a form of a document file. Then the tables and data handwritten text. So these are the things. Okay, let me show you one example for the handwritten text. As a normal human being, we won't be able to understand what is written over here in this normal document, right? So I will do one thing. Let me take the help of mm, one of the, okay, let me just test it out. Hindi rustic old letter. Take the images, let me find out. I won't be able to understand anything. It's written, it's clearly written. Okay. uh, it is also somewhat understandable. Okay, let's use this one. As a normal human being, I won't be able to understand anything what is written here, right? So let me give it to Sarvam. Upload new. Maybe here it is there. Yeah. Document languages. I think it's Hindi. Process document. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. Within just 8 seconds, it has given me the exact output. I have calculated this timing just because of one thing. I also want to understand how much is different from the chat GPT if I am uploading the same thing. Okay, so let me go to let me go to Gemini then. Fine. All upload files. What is written? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, it has already crossed 8 seconds and I didn't get any kind of result from it. And there is no extended thinking or nothing I've given. It's a simple prompt that I've used. What is written, it is still taking time, and let's see whether it comes as the exact output that what we are expecting, or it's some the vague output that what we don't want. Okay, let it buffer. So I hope you understood what is the use case of this vision with the use of the OCR technique. Now we have this chat option. You can summarize the topic, translate text, draft an email, or you can the name of this chat is the Indus. Okay, you can go into another separate tab and you can use it as a normal LLM what you are using in the chat GPT, Gemini, or Claude. Who is Indus? Let me see what answer it can give. Who is Indus? What are you? See, the first answer it gave about Indus, their own chatbot assistant only. Nice. What are you? In how many languages you have been trained? Let's see. I'm in the chatbot Sarvam on their 105 billion parameters over languages. Okay, great. I have been trained in 23 languages, all 22 official languages plus English. Nice. So that's how you can chat with the Indus chatbot. So that is the all main features of the server, how you can use this. And these are the conversational agents, similar to what I have spoken while collecting the payments about my EMI, about my two-wheeler EMI. Fine, when we have entered into the dashboard or the landing page. So similar thing only, that's a to and fro version of the talking. Then the video dubbing, yes. So just understand whatever. Okay, for this.
Is going to get an instruction from ROM. It will see the first bit. Just by seeing the first bit, it can distinguish whether it's an A instruction or C instruction. Correct?
Nice.
Because
This was the original in where this professor have spoken. Now let me ask this professor to talk in Punjabi.
एक हदायत मिलेगी, ये पहला बिट देखेगा, पहला बिट देख के ही
The lip sync is not correct with the Punjabi version, so maybe within the upcoming years it will also become correct. So we can use it
ये
for
दस
the
सकता
multiple
है कि ये
purposes,
हदायत है जैसी हदायत है.
right? So these are small things that needs to be getting corrected, and I think Sarvam will take care of that. API keys. Here you can use the APIs where you can call upon the API keys whenever you are trying to use the server. So you can normally create API key. You just name any of this key and the key will be created. So it's a secret key, right? It's a secret key. You won't be sharing to anyone. You will be using it for your own purpose only. So till now I've used some of the features. So let's see, kindly I have used 17 rupees, Bulbul v3, Mayura v1 formal, Sarvam Vision, Saras v3. So these are the different models for the different features they have being used. And what is the total spend that I have used? Total nearly rupees 17 rupees, and total request is 120. This is the API. As I have not created an API or never used this API anywhere, so that's why it's showing as 0. You can also filter the models and check which models have used and which models have spent the most amount of money. Fine. And you can check the limits. Okay, I've already gone through this. And you can also check the documentation over here for this server. Quick start, SDK and libraries. This is to build the AI agents with the use of the Sarvam AI. Cookbook, call analytics pipeline, government scheme agent, tutor agent, loan advisory agent. So they have created so many things, and also the conversational agents are being provided from their end. So that is what they are being entitled and also being trained on. Fine. So, and okay, one more thing. I just want to show you this conversational agents. If you want, if you want to get access of this conversational agents, you won't be able to get it directly. You need to click on get access. Firstly click on these three dots, then these option get access, then the website URL. If you are running a company of your, if you are running anything else, just put your website URL. Then what type of agent are you looking for, voice, WhatsApp, or the website app. Then the estimated monthly conversations, that 1 to 10,000, 10,000 to 1 lakh, or more than 10 lakhs. So these are the estimates that you need to provide, and after that their business team people will connect with you and get your this conversational agents delivered to you, and you can use it from that moment. So that's how this Sarvam AI is working. I hope you also start working with this Sarvam, maybe small bits of work, so they are also getting trained, and we may get the better output within the upcoming 2 to 3 years. So that's all about day 18. Thank you everyone.